Hey everybody, this is Joey from the Opulent Traveler. Alright, I hope in this session I will inspire you to create your own travel plans and itinerary and experiences that will transcend your past travel experiences. Anyways, let's get started. As I've said yesterday, in today's, I'll try as much as possible to keep this video short. So I'll be just using one application. So there's different applications, so different websites that you can visit to book your activities in your destination of choice. But I'm going to be just showing you one for today's video. All right, let's get started. Okay, so what I have here, I have a number of tools. Let me just make it smaller. All right. I've got a number of travel planner tools that I have on my phone. All right, so I'll be showing you how to book your activities. So there's 3 different apps that I use: Head Out, TripAdvisor, and Get Your Guide. All right, but you can also use booking.com. You can also use booking.com to book attractions, activities. So they also have, and then you can choose your date. Hang on. Let's just say you're going to Cairns. So as you can see there. So you can also use booking.com, but for today's video I'm going to be using Get Your Guide. All right, let's go back. All right, so once you can access the Get Your Guide through Chrome or through Google to visit the website, or you can download the application on your phone, create an account for yourself, and then you can use it to pre-plan for your activities, your trips activities. Alrighty, so let's say you have purchased tickets to visit New York in December. Let's say New York. So you type New York. All right, and let's see. Hang on, I'm just gonna put it to the side. So New York. Let's say dates. Let's say, like you said, you want to travel in December, so you want to spend New Year's there. So say 22nd to the 29th, and let's go next. And you're traveling on your own. Let's just say as a solo traveler, and you want to go to New York City. Okay, so once you put in the specific date, so window, then they put activities or tickets.
10 gorgeous things to do in New York City. Hi, I'm Angie, a traveling fairy and New Yorker, and here are some of my top picks in the Big Apple. 1. The Edge. It can get crowded here, especially at sunset, but the glass-walled views are just unbeatable. 2. Central Park. Enjoy skyline views while lounging around the lush lawns and taking in nature. 3. Brooklyn Bridge.
At Statue of Liberty, so there's 120 activities that you can choose from. If you're interested in visiting the Empire State Building, you have 127 activities. So you want to have a look at those, you just simply click on it, and then it gives you all the different activities in that area, and then you can choose. So once you have chosen one, let's say once you have chosen one, you simply click on it. You see down there, check availability. So if you want to book, and you can book. So this is on the 23rd. That's on the 2nd day. So let's just, so once once you have confirmed that you're able to get this, you simply add to cart, or if you're ready to book now, you can simply click on book now, and it will take you to the payment page where you enter your Visa debit card. So you will need a Visa debit card to actually do the purchase online. All right, so remember, your Visa debit card must have money in it. So as you can see here, they have a free cancellation policy, and they also have a reserve now and pay later. So you don't need to pay now, you can pay later. You reserve it now, but you can pay later, and you can cancel, free cancellation. So this is good. You don't need to pay on the spot, but you can, so you know how much the activity is going to cost, and since let's say if this is in I mean, if you've given yourself a year or 2 years time, you should have enough time to save afterwards these activities, including flight. All right, so save for flight. Also have the sky scanner. So like I said, I don't know what, no, I didn't say it in the previous email, previous video. So I use Skyscanner to look at the flight options, but to book flights, to book flights, I actually book through the airline's website. All right, so you go to flights, click on flights. I'm just gonna close you for now. Let's say from Port Moresby up to New York. That will be, and we say we're traveling in December 22nd and returning on the 29th. Click confirm, and then it goes search. So yeah, so you see there. So it gives you different options. So you can get on the Cathay Pacific. So instead of booking through booking.com, you can go to the Cathay Pacific website, and then you can select. Okay, you wanna, so you see there's 260 different flight options more. Yep, so on Qantas, yeah, for 10,000. So I suggest to visit America, but this is probably because in December it's the peak tourist. I'm not sure. Yeah, so maybe that's why there are sometimes some months that the price actually drops. Yeah, anyways, you can look at fastest and the cheapest if you're interested in the cheapest. Yeah, so any Guinea plus quarter heavies. Yeah, so you can see there's different flight options. All right, so once you are interested in one, so let's say you go in here, continue, and you look at this one. So this one is long wait, one stop. So this one stops at Hong Kong. So yeah, you can fit in Hong Kong quick trip. That's an 8-hour layover. So yeah, or you can choose a different one, and there's different ways you can pay, but like I said, it's better to go book through the airline's website here. Alrighty, let's look at another option. So this one is Qantas, so that's a long wait. So this one is actually 2 stops. So you're gonna go to Brisbane, stop away at Brisbane, and then you take the long flight to Los Angeles. Yeah, but anyways, yeah. So once you confirm that, for accommodation, you simply go to, well, I'm using booking.com here, but you can use other. Yeah, you go to stays, you go New York, let's say from the December 22nd to 29th, and then you go select date, and then it says yeah, so you look at this one. So this is the different. Yeah, so this one, if you're like traveling like a backpacker, yeah, so you can just stay at the hostel, like for ladies, bed in dormitory. Yeah, this one is a port. So you wanna say, like, say you're interested in this one, just simply click on it, and then you select rooms. So that's single room. It's New York, so it would be pricey. Yeah. And then once you say you want this one, you just simply select and then you go reserve. But I'm not reserving that right now, so I can get off. Yeah. But anyway, so it's just as easy as that. Yeah. And with this option, there's free cancellation there. You can also use the filter options, say free cancellation, interested in a free bathroom. You can choose holiday home, hotel, or hostels, or guest houses, bed and breakfast, and then it goes all resorts. Yeah, so you see there's some for less. Yeah. So the pier, oh nice. Yeah, 208. Yeah, free cancellation, no prepayment. Yeah, so that's that. Yep, just before I leave you guys, so let's just see. Develop a travel itinerary for New York from the 22nd of December to the 29th of December 2024. Include accommodation options. Include budget accommodation options and prices, as well as tourist attraction activities. And then you go. Alright, so this is just using AI to help out with your travel plans. Anyways, you can save in Word. Alright, so that's my itinerary for New York. So okay, let me go in. New York. Yes, once it's saved in Word, you can actually update this. Yeah, to suit. So, yep. Anyways, let me know if you're interested in me helping you to plan your next trip. Alright. But otherwise, I'm trying to give you all the tools that you need to plan your own trips. So, yeah. Anyways, thank you so much for your time, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.